Hello, welcome to Geography with Justin. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a basic map using ArcMap. So the first thing we want to do is go to the table of contents, right-click on Layers, and select Add Data. And then you want to choose the layers that you would like to load. So we want both the country and the ocean layers of the World Geodatabase. So we'll go ahead and add that. As you can see, the colors are random, and so we're going to go ahead and change those. So we're going to right click on the color box here, change that, then go ahead and do the same thing for the ocean layer and change that, and there we have some colors that look a little bit better. Okay, now we're going to left click on the word layers to open the data frame properties, and we're going to change our coordinate system from a geographic coordinate system to a projected coordinate system, and the one we're going to use is called the Winkle triple projection. Okay, this is a standard projection that's used by the National Geographic Society. Okay, the next step is we're going to select View and change to Layout View. And this is where you actually do the designing of your map document. Okay, what we want to do here is, since the map is wider than it is tall, we're going to go to File, Page and Print Setup, and we're going to change this one to Landscape Orientation. That looks a lot better. Okay, and since we want the map to look good, we're going to create some guides by clicking on the ruler. So you can see here, let's create some margins with this. So you can see this create some guidelines on here that we can use to fit our map to make it look a lot better. There we go. Okay. If you ever want to delete any of the guides, all you have to do is right click. You can clear one guide or you can clear all of them. Okay. Now the next element we're going to add is a map title. So let's go to Insert, Title. We're going to be real simple here and put World Map. Okay. And there's our title. Now we want to format the font. Just go ahead and right click, Properties, and don't mess with this here. You're going to change symbol, and here let's make it bigger. Let's make it bold. Okay. Go ahead and apply that. As you can see, this looks a little bit too high, so it doesn't look really good. So what we're going to do is we're going to create another guideline here, pull that down. That looks a lot better, looks a lot more connected to the rest of our map. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add a legend. Since we're going to be putting some items inside this box, we're going to put in some more guides just to create some space. Okay, so there's some uniform space on each side. And so we're going to insert legend. And so it'll already show the map layers that you have in your table of contents. So we're going to just accept all the default options here. And you'll have a legend. We'll go ahead and put this over here. And then next thing we're going to put in here is a scale bar. We'll choose this one here. Okay. And then the last thing we're going to put in here is a north arrow. this over here on this side, make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that looks pretty good. The map is a little bit smaller than we'd like it to be, and so we're going to change the scale on here. Okay, that looks a little bit better. And as you can see, the values here on the scale bar changed along with that. Okay, so now we have our first map done. You can go to File and Print Preview. So you can see this is how it would look if you print it. Just a very basic map, nothing too difficult. Instead you can print it from here. Okay, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.